Well, when your pet is diagnosed with cancer, not all hope is lost. The largest standalone veterinary cancer hospital in the U.S. is set to open here in Connecticut in Norwalk. Dr. Gerald Post is here to talk to us about what the facility offers and how your pets can get help. Thanks for joining us.
It's my pleasure.
We don't want to ignore Lola, your dog here. Lola's in perfect condition. We want to let people know that.
Sure.
But as a doctor, even
Sure.
as a pet owner, you want a facility where you feel comfortable taking your pet to if your pet is sick.
Sure. So actually that's why we built the hospital.
Yeah.
We designed it from the ground up to make sure that both people and pets were comfortable, relaxed in this environment, because it's a scary process. And you know, most people think of cancer therapy as being, when they think of chemotherapy or radiation therapy, they think of what happens to people, and that's really not the case. Most animals handle therapy incredibly well.
And quality of life is good for your pet.
Absolutely. So our facility was built on two pillars: quality and quantity of life. And we don't feel that we need to sacrifice one for the other. So we really want to make sure that the pets get the best quality of life and the longest quantity of life.
What kind of resources do you provide at the facility?
Sure. So we built this facility. It's opening on April 4th, and there's radiation therapy. So it's the only radiation facility in Fairfield and Westchester counties. We have chemotherapy, immunotherapy. We're also the regional center for clinical trials. So we're working with a whole bunch of universities, Cornell University, potentially Tufts University, Yale, to deliver the best possible care for pets with cancer.
And your specialty is cancer oncology. So can you talk to us about the warning signs and what we should look out for with our pets?
Sure. So the main warning signs, and you can find these on our page, so www.vcchope.com, or the Animal Cancer Foundation site, acfoundation.org. But any enlarging lumps that are changing, differing color, enlarging lymph nodes behind the mouth, behind the knees or stifle, a sudden change in appetite, vomiting or diarrhea that's unexplainable.
What do you recommend for someone taking their pet to a primary, their veterinarian?
Sure.
What should they ask? Sometimes I think they just don't know what to ask,
Sure.
so they fail to ask any questions.
I think the biggest thing is preventive care, kind of what's going on with people. And so if an animal, because cancer is a disease of older animals, older people, in most cases, doing screening blood work. So seeing your veterinarian every 6 months for blood work, a physical exam, potentially x-rays and ultrasound, because if we can detect cancer early, we have a better chance of treating it effectively.
And again, at this facility, it's state-of-the-art. It's amazing that we have it in Connecticut, in Norwalk, and a lot of pet owners can vet this and get that peace of mind sometimes that they need.
Correct. We built the facility around collaboration, so it's very open, it's very inviting, it makes the pets feel comfortable, it makes the people feel comfortable, and we really feel that what our facility is the place where all of the other general practitioners in the area do their cancer therapy. So we're very into collaboration. We love working with private practitioners, general veterinarians, as well as owners.
One location, all that expertise there.
Correct.
So let's let our viewers know about this center opening. It opens to the public April 4th, located at 129 Glover Avenue.
Glover Avenue.
Glover Avenue in Norwalk. Thank you so much. And the event is from what time to what time?
From 6 to 8 p.m.
6 to 8 p.m. on
Correct.
April 4th.
Correct.
Thank you so much for being with us.
It's my
And
pleasure.
Lola, did we bore you? You look a little bored.